In 1808, the United States government outlawed slavery importation. Not slavery, but the importation. 1808. Slavery, the importation, or the system didn't end till 65. In some places, longer than that. Can I ask you a question? How did they get more enslaved Africans if they were not allowed to float them in? They moved from an import system to a breeding farm system. They would get 12 black women and 1 black man, and his job was to keep those women pregnant. As soon as she dropped a baby, she healed up, get her pregnant again. It was a baby-making factory in the interests of white supremacy. Well, guess what? Some of you mothers are breeding slaves for the master. Some of you fathers are breeding slaves for the master. Just like they did it 150 years ago. You would make a baby to go serve the master. Some of you making babies to go serve the master by way of incarceration. You might well just take him to jail soon when you get him out the hospital. Because that's where he's going, the way we're raising our children. We're not teaching them discipline at all. A lot of our black boys don't have no type of delay of gratification in their personality. Some of you got children who only do something when they feel like it. How many of you got sons and daughters only do something when they feel like it? Do you know what that means? There'll never be nothing. Because in this world, especially in a racist society like America's, you have to develop the ability to delay gratification long enough to do what needs to be done when it has to be done. Because only if you can do what needs to be done when it has to be done, you'll never be in a position to do what you want to do when you want to do it. Discipline. Y'all hear me talk about it all the time. Discipline is divine. God is total discipline. The sun rises every day. The moon shines every night. You get 4 seasons no matter what. 365 quarter days every year. God is discipline. But does your son have it? Does your daughter have it? But the problem is you cannot teach what you do not have. And many of our children learn to be undisciplined by their undisciplined parents.